opportunities do you think are going to be opened up by that collaboration?
We're really excited about it because rather than being competitive, it's actually a complementary partnership. So Amsterdam Drone Week is very focused on urban air mobility and drone taxis and U-Space and development of that. And Commercial UAV Expo is more focused on commercial applications for SUAS, what's happening now, what's possible right now in the market. So it's really bringing the whole drone ecosystem together.
And is the idea with it to create kind of a big tent, one-stop shop for folks who want to understand what is happening across the board with the technology in Europe?
Absolutely. One of the exciting things is the EASA high-level conference. So that covers the regulatory side. Then you have, the futuristic side with Amsterdam Drone Week, and then Commercial UAV Expo is really what is possible right now today. So in fact, no matter what section of the ecosystem you're in, you'll find something really interesting at the collaboration.
And how do you see the fit of what's happening right here at Commercial UAV Expo 2019 kind of flowing into Amsterdam Drone Week in 2020?
Well, a lot of people who are active in the verticals really need to know what's happening in, for example, construction or surveying and mapping or precision agriculture. And so we'll do a deep dive on those vertical market segments. And then they also want to know what's coming 20, 30 years down the road so they can really get the best of both worlds in one place.
What has you personally excited about what it's going to mean to work with and be a part of Amsterdam Drone Week in 2020?
Well, we've always thought that Amsterdam was the ideal location for a drone show, so we're really pleased to be here. This is our second year in Amsterdam, and we love working with the RAI as partners. They're just we have very similar DNA, we work well together, we see an incredible future for these two strong events to come together.
And if somebody's thinking about coming to the event, what's the bottom line of why they need to be there?
If you're involved in drones, you need to be here. It's moving very quickly. The pace of change is very rapid. Things change from month to month. And so it's a yearly check-in where you can see every player in the industry from large drone taxis to small UAS and all the service providers in between.